This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 34 of Building Prime, Optimus Prime, from the Transformers, from Fanhome and D'Agostini and Hasbro. I think still own a chunk of it, so there we go. Looking at United under Nest. Nest is the human organisation that looks after the Transformers, isn't it? The animated, yeah, that's sort of where it all started. Chromia. Don't know. Obviously feminine. Robots can have a feminine, but they obviously do. Decepticon Series 6. Yeah, again, these are tiny little ones after my time. Not worried about them in the slightest. Big ones we have to manipulate and do things rather than just, there you go, it's done. That's not as much fun, is it? So we're continuing the torso. More detailed bits to add to the side. I've got some screws to use for this one. So we'll get that put together in just a moment. Not actually adding to the leg yet. I don't know if I want to attach the leg to the torso until we've got both of them to attach. I'm not sure. I'll do whatever they tell me to do, but I'm not sure that I want to. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get some more torso detail added. Right, so this is what we've got. All plastic parts this time, but that's fine. It's not structural, so just making a display. 3 screws needed for this part of the build. So let's get 3 screws out the back here. Keep the other one aside. What are we doing? We're attaching this piece to the torso. It goes on the side, just up there. A couple of pins locate it. That goes on there nice and securely, but we are still putting in one of these screws. I wouldn't have thought it needed it, but you know, there we go. Through the bottom there. Maybe they felt that we'd done enough snapping things into place and we needed a little bit of screwdriver time. Don't want that bigger screwdriver. One of these will be lovely. Go. That's there. I'm pretty sure we're going to be doing the same on the other side soon, maybe next time. But first we're going to be building up this bit. So we've got a little piece to put in there, and that is using another screw to go through the back there to hold that together. Lined up and keyed in place, and then a screw right in the back there. I do like that these are all the same type of screw for this part of the build. So there's no confusion, no having to worry about is this the right one. I do like it when things are kept nice and easy for me. So there's that. Then these 2 pieces put in the outside. They do have different sized holes, so they will only go one way round. But these are just a friction fit. They go on there like so. Then we need a screw to hold this in place. And this is going over, it round now. Let's get back round to the side there where we are. Onto there. So we've got 2 posts that will lock that in place. And then a screw right down through the middle. Hold that together. Nice. Nice. And then this bracket goes in the side of that somewhere. right down the inside there. The other side doesn't say about attaching it anywhere yet. So we'll just get that one locked in there. Right, might have to work on that. Not knowing where the other side of it's going is being a bit of a pain as well, but there we go. Try that from an angle like that. There we go. So that snaps in there, and that can be rotated to wherever it needs to be when we find out where it needs to be. We do need, from before, we've still got some parts here. We've got these shock absorbers. Yeah, one of those. Not those bits yet. Got this shock absorber that we built up. Needs to be attached. Where does that go? Oh, look, is that onto there and there? The thinner end down the bottom, according to this. That goes on there, like that. And the other end on that post, like that. Now that's not going to move, so that doesn't really need to be a shock absorber, but it is. There we go. And the last piece from today is going on there. It's going on the other side. Where's that going? I can't quite tell. That's going to go on there, isn't it? Have I got to do that yet? That's going to go on there, isn't it? I'm gonna connect it, but being sneaky and doing things in ahead of the instructions, unless it does say to do that. Flex the red so yeah, it tells me to do that. I just missed that bit. Damn it! I thought I was being clever, but I wasn't. So this is going that way up onto those two pins up there. There we go. Lots of lovely detail added to that. So that's that side getting there. That, yeah, other little posts and things, but things are going to be attached to, but I don't know about that yet. So there we have another issue complete. Just looking, yeah, it's got that ball sticking out the front there, so I'm happy with where that is. That is that. I don't know if we're doing the same again next time, or at some point we're going to be doing the repeat, but the opposite side, aren't we? So let's clear it up for now, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.